Oh my gosh, but anyway, let's begin with this video. My hair is a little bit crazy right now, but whatever, don't pay attention to this, girl. Let's begin. Let's begin with this video, okay? Let's get started. People spend hundreds of dollars on skincare, makeup, and beauty treatments, but they still look tired every single day. Why? Because the real problem is often hidden in the small habits we repeat without thinking. These mistakes can make your skin look dull, your eyes look exhausted, and even add years to your appearance.
Oh my god.
The good news is that most of them are easy to fix, my girl. In this video, we're revealing the habits that could be making you look older and more tired. Okay. Being on your phone before bed, yes, my girl. Being in bed ready to sleep while still scrolling on your phone is a habit that's aging you. It can make your eyes look tired, give you dark circles, and leave you physically exhausted. Stop using your phone, alright? Every time you go to bed, hide it somewhere you can see it or turn it off, and wait until the next day to use it again. Do this 30 minutes to 1 hour before going to sleep. Okay.
I'll change, I'll grow, I'll be better.
Mistake number 2, my girls, not sleeping enough. This is a huge mistake that we all make, okay? Yes, because I've also stayed up super late finishing school homework or work. The real problem is when it becomes a habit, like doing it every single day. If you stayed up late once or twice and then go back to sleep normally for 7 to 8 hours, that's fine. The problem starts when you do it for weeks or months. That's when you really start noticing changes in your physical appearance, and obviously you'll feel tired during the day. So what should you do? Set alarms and actually respect them when they go off. This honestly helped me so much to sleep better, get the hours I need. So my girl, set an alarm on your phone for when you need to go to sleep and when you need to wake up. Alright? Mistake number 3, my girl. Terribly bad posture. I've mentioned this tip a lot, but it's really important. Many of us don't realize that we don't walk straight. Instead, we walk hunched over. Yes, my girl, like yes, girl, I've been there too. What helped me a lot was becoming more aware while walking. If you notice yourself starting, look at my hair, it's crazy. Alright. If you notice yourself starting to slouch or walking hunched over, straight up immediately. Also, look at yourself in the mirror while walking. It helps so much. If you don't have a mirror big enough, don't worry, my girl. You can use your phone camera. Okay, my girl, super easy. Mistake number 4, number 5, whatever it is. Dry skin. Dry skin doesn't look or feel very nice, and I'm talking about the skin on your whole body in general. Okay, face, hands, arms, legs, etc. Apply lotion every single day. Very important. It doesn't matter if it's in an expensive lotion. Cheap lotions work really well too. So don't worry, my girl. Do this daily, and your skin will look soft and very beautiful. Alright, mistake number 5, my girl. Hands and nails that aren't taken care of don't elevate your appearance, they lower it. Try to always keep your hands soft and your nails clean and well maintained. Apply hand cream, file your nails, trim them, and add nail polish in any color you want so they look beautiful. And if you want to go a little further, I recommend press-on nails because they look really pretty. But if you don't want to do that, that's okay. Clean nails and soft hands are more than enough. Okay, so yeah, actually I got my nails very short because I'm playing my electric guitar, so that's the big reason why my nails look very short right now. But you know, they're beautiful and clean. Okay, so there you go, my girl. Messy, tangled, unbrushed hair does not look good. Repeat after me, girl. It does not look good. Clean, styled, and well brushed hair looks beautiful and makes you look beautiful. Hair is honestly a natural accessory that instantly elevates your appearance. It really plays a huge role in physical features and the way your personal image is perceived. So, there you go, my girls.
And well, why are you waiting for to start putting these tips into practice right now? Don't be lazy, Michael. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy.
Bye bye.